rolling. What are we doing?
What are we doing?
Other than rolling.
We're gonna have supper.
Oh, good. I'm hungry. I see. I smell it. It smells good. Oh, it looks good too.
So we've got a turkey tray bake.
Oh,
Look at
that's
that.
handy.
That is Thanksgiving supper
In one tray.
on one
You
tray.
got potatoes, carrots, squash.
Turkey,
Turkey?
onions. This is gonna be amazing. Here's how I made it. First thing I did was to peel the squash, cut off the top and the bottom. And then just with a knife, peeled off the skin. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe now and smash that notification bell so you find out about our new videos as soon as they come out. Cut it in half, scooped out the seeds, and then sliced it into reasonably large pieces. Next up were some fresh carrots that I had just pulled from the garden. I took the top off and the bottom. I didn't cut them up. Again, you want them reasonably large. Next into the bowl were some potatoes. I didn't cut those up at all. I liked the size. If I had used bigger potatoes, I probably would have cut them into quarters just to keep everything the same size. I keep saying that, but really this is the most important part of this dish, the same size. I also threw in some onions. I used reasonably small ones, didn't cut them, threw them in whole. Once they were in the bowl, I poured over some melted butter, a little bit of salt and pepper. And then I poured in some maple syrup. Gave that a toss. And threw that onto the baking tray. Then I took 2 bone-in turkey thighs, put them into the same bowl, poured in the rest of the butter, salt and pepper, a little bit more maple syrup, and I used some herb de Provence, but you could put any herbs in here that you liked, turkey spice, whatever you want. Put the turkey thighs on the tray, arranged everything to make sure that it was all in one layer, and stuck that in the oven.
This is like a maple syrup extravaganza.
It is. It's a good thing that we've got lots of maple syrup.
Yeah, but we go through it.
So pretty much everything is here. You could put another vegetable with this. You could do green beans on top of here, but maybe put them on halfway through the cooking because they will cook too quickly.
Cauliflower?
Cauliflower, broccoli. The idea is that if everything's about the same size, it's going to cook at the same time and all be done at the same time and be very easy.
So we just need to take it to the house and plate it.
Let's
We're
get
good to
this-
go.
Get this to the table.